is fixed. My bike is fixed now. My bike is fixed. I'd laugh if it just come off now. Yeah, my bike is fixed. Oh, fuck. No, it's not. So everything's fixed on it now. Handlebars, my dad bent them in place, literally fucking bent them. They're still a bit out of shape, like, because when I sat up on the bike, I was like, yeah, that's great. But it turns out, like, you need to ride it before you actually know for certain. So, all's good, it is good, because lean, bitch. Because, I don't know, I'm just so fucking happy that my bike is fixed, and, you know, new indicators, everything. Like, everything's virtually new. Panels being put back on. Plastics welded back on because some of the plastics are coming off. Look like a plastic welder thing. And put it back on. Ah, so it's all good. I fucking love this. I'm back riding. It is a bit of a shit day. Like, really bad. Fuck off. Fucking hell! Fucking buzzy bee, me fucking army! Ha! So, anyway. I got my bike fixed! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! We're going to meet my friend now, so he can come riding with us too. Then we got 2 riders. Fucking one of them twats me in the head. Whoa. By the way, I'm still going to do wheelies in the fucking future, man. Don't think I've like quit wheelies for good now. No. What I'm going to do though is store a bunch of ass money inside, you know, whatever, in cash somewhere or something, or bank account, whatever, and just fucking save up that way, because if anything ever goes wrong with my bike, there we go, instantly I've fixed it with the money that I've like saved. He's in front now, damn it. He's the guy who chose us on Super Stoked Hard. So, motherfuckers, yo, I see that I've got like 18 subscribers now. I saw it, it's 17 subscribers, I was like, oh cool, then I refreshed it, then it went up to 18, I was like, fucking no way. I was so happy, I was like, yeah! So, I've got new editing software, so I should be able to use it in this video. Oh, basically, I need to tell you why the fuck I crashed. But what happened? I was going, I went 8 miles per hour, got the bike up on first gear, and come straight up, man. It was awesome, and then I kept going. I managed to keep it up, like, got it to second gear. That's when I was going about 20. Yeah, I was going about 20. And then I got it into third gear, and that's when I was doing good with it. I was going about, yeah, 30. And that's when I changed to like third gear. And I was going up at 40, and then what happened was the clutch got stuck like this. My revs were still going, let it go like that. And then obviously the back tyres spun faster, and that's what sent me up. That's why I like it up. Oh look, I'm gonna get through there. Alright then, maybe I did. Yo, this is great. Oh wait, I've been up here before. Okay. This is like really, this is really sketchy for like slicks on my tyres. Got a feeling that guy. know what he's doing. That guy up there, I know what he's doing. I know why he was up there to that bike track. I know why he's there. You won't catch us. Basically what that guy is some of them go up that motocross track, and what they do is they wait. They like wait for you, and as soon as they see a biker, that's it, they'll follow him home, just to make sure, like, to see where you live so that they can take you back another day. That sounded sick. 50 is what it can go in third gear. I came here to do this.